Hi, welcome to this channel. Today in this video you can learn how you can use the if function in the Excel. And for this I have got the exercise how we use the if function. For this is the student name, this is the marks, and the way we use how we can grade them. For this we can use the if function. The formula is I have written over here, if the value of C6 is less than 50, then print F. So we create the formula if C6 is less than 50, then comma, and in inverted bars the value will be F, the inverted bar closed. This is the formula of a function, and here the grading is other. If less than equal to 60, then D. So the Arslan got the marks of 50 for this. We can write here the formula if C7 is less than equal to 60. If the values are less than equal to 60, then print D. So here there is D. If the value is less than and equal to 75, then print C. So here the C is written, and same for here. If the value is less than equal to 100, the value will be A. So the A is here. In this way you can use the if formula. And what is nested if? The nested if is that these formulas are written on the same page, and then we copy that formula to the other one. This will be the nested. I have write the if formula separate. You can use this for combining this one. This will be the nested if statement. Thanks for watching this video. Other things will be in the next video. Kindly subscribe the channel so that you can get more educated videos like this.